Past midnight, and the city has changed. Same streets, different faces. Everybody knows the game. You said you like the danger, but you never like the fall. I said I didn't care, but I remember it all. Like a secret through a room full of noise. Everybody's talking, but nobody hears a voice. Red light, slow turn, your shadow crosses mine. One look, no words, we already crossed the line. Don't tell me where we're going, don't tell me why we're here. Let the night decide for us while the morning disappears. Like you know something, I pretend I don't. You say you'll stay until sunrise, but I know you won't. Beauty of never making promises. Maybe that's the reason we keep coming back, round and round, until the lights go out.